Good morning! Good morning! Where are we going, Floki? Huh? Flex ko lang yung pimples kong malaki nasa tuktok ng aking ilong. Anyway, nandito kami ngayon sa aming favorite restaurant dahil masarap dito for the bowl at saka yung serving napakadami. Kakatapos lang namin iwan yung papi ko sa grooming shop. Yeah, this place is always good. It's always good, guys. So every time we drop off my baby at the grooming, we always came here to eat, so it's always yummy. So after we eat, and while we're still waiting for my baby, and let's go to grocery shop. Our favorite store, Aldi, because it's cheaper. Oh yes. Gusto ko lang naman sanang mag-video kaso ayaw makisama ng phone ko. Itches. You look like a kid. Alrighty, I got my baby boy. Mommy loves you. You're so guapo, my love. Anyway, voice over ko aning video ang ako ang apo gasing. Nan, you hear? Did you hear? Magpakuha na siya. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.